Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Left 4 Dead 2 non-Steam online. Start by installing the non-Steam build and applying the multiplayer patch, then configure port forwarding for port 27015 and relevant UDP ranges. Verify your firewall allows the game and add any necessary exceptions. Create or join a dedicated server using direct IP or server browser, and test with friends to confirm stable connections and low latency. Begin by verifying game integrity and installing community fixes to match multiplayer builds. Next, access your router and forward port 27015 TCP and UDP, plus any additional UDP ranges used by players. Update your system firewall to allow the game executable and Steam emulators if used. Finally, restart your router and test a local server connection before inviting friends, so you can troubleshoot any NAT or firewall issues calmly and effectively. When joining, try Direct IP Connect if the server is not visible in the browser, as that often resolves discovery issues. Confirm both server and client versions match exactly, and install any required mods the host uses. Coordinate open ports and NAT types with the host to prevent join failures. If you hit errors, collect console logs and retry after restarting both client and server to ensure a clean connection attempt and stable gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.